Yeah, this is Ashabash representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More of the people them just like and subscribe our TV. Cause I just a blessing. Manifesting our TV progressing. Yeah, Nyaka, scatter.
Good morning. Hello. You know, I ain't been on here in a minute, honey. So I'm just stopping by, and for all y'all who are early, what's good? What's up? You know the drill. You know I talk before my lives actually come on, before y'all come on. So if you come on and me talking, if you come on and I'm talking already, then baby you late. But if you're catching this live as this live is done, honey, good on you. You do a really good job. Okay, so we have so much things to discuss. Yeah, we have a lot of things we need to go over, a lot of things we need to organize. It's just a lot. Hello Adore. Hey Alexia. Hello hello V-Jam. Hello Shay. Hello. I need to put lotion on my body. Oh shit, now I can show y'all the real thing, honey. Let me go ahead. First of all, my lashes. No filter, but you know I love me a filter, honey. So, boom. Talk to me. Okay, hold on. Let me go ahead and get my thing together. I got me a new mascara, honey. This thing here, baby. Baby, this thing here. By the way, Jonathan went to the park and he ended up drinking soda and he full it up with dirt or pebbles or whatever. And I'm not mad at it, so I use it as a tripod. Hello. Today, it's the accents constantly changing for me too, honey. Oh my God, this glow though. Shit. So, yeah, mascara, glow, face and body butter. Apply to affected areas twice daily after exfoliating or cleansing the skin. Baby, this thing took me 6 months to finish. The first one, I have it from last year. When I went to Ochi with the boys for Jalil's birthday, she actually came by and she dropped it off for me. So I met the owner. Oh Lord, God damn it. I don't understand why all of my vagina have an outdoor. Not even a cell. God, it's not like my advertise. Oh my God, look, I have a vagina. Who wants a vagina? I'm not doing that. It's just free advertising. God damn it. Free promo. Free goddamn promotion for something I'm not even selling. This is ridiculous. All right, so my class is in New York. Listen, y'all coming through. Listen. I've been talking to a few on my WhatsApp, you know, so, you know, we here. We here. And y'all see my hustle. Y'all see my grind. So y'all like, bitch, hold on. Let me get 3 more chicas. Okay? And I'm like, hey, I ain't mad at you, baby. Go get them girls. Shit. Whew. I feel high energy. I'm leaving in 15 minutes. Motherfucker, call the gate and leave the taxi name at the gate, but I'm leaving in 15 minutes. I have work. I can't say, but there are a few things. Well, one major thing I want to talk about. One major thing I want to address. Your girl is under new management, you guys, and it has come to my realization that, and I really hope y'all can ride with me with this one. It has come to my realization that I have... Shit. All right. I'm going to just say it and then explain after. Zine, it's come to my realization that I've been selling myself. I don't even need a lot. I've been selling myself short. With just who I am, what I've done for the makeup industry in Jamaica. How many of you have started careers because of me? How many of you have started your YouTube journey because of me? And by you starting your YouTube journey, you also prompted or encouraged someone to start their YouTube journey. It's just like a whole event by me just saying, you know what? I can do this too, and I want to do it. A whole chain reaction happened. Fine. It's been 10 years. And I'm going to Google what 10 means. But if you guys know, you can tell me. It's been 10 years. And I should be further along than where I am, and I'm not. And it's because I keep doing it by myself. I have a thing where I don't like to... Jesus, I'm nervous talking about this. I do this thing where I don't like when people are involved in my creative process, whether it's YouTube, makeup, whatever it is. I don't like when people are involved in my business. I don't like it. Because in my head, once you help me, you're going to take credit for it. And the last thing I want is for you to be doing your interviews and be like, yeah, man, come did April lyric, put that lyric. And I know some need to tell you about that. And then she did go live. I don't want that. So I don't know if I'm a control freak, but I'm very passionate about my creations. I'm passionate about what I do. So... God damn it, I'm under new goddamn management, you guys. The shit that's about to happen, y'all ain't ready. And let me tell you this. You know what I'm saying, rich and switch? I mean that. Yeah, but not ask Christ not twice. It's me, rich switch. Immediately, alakazam. Me, rich and switch. Yeah, girl. I cannot stay in that mindset anymore. I cannot stay physically in that place anymore. I cannot stay mentally in that place, spiritually in that place. So a switch has to take place. I feel like when people say rich and switch, I feel like that bad man, large just rich and switch. So, girl, she come from zinc and board house. I know this. So the girl not have one like regular roof. What? She be not have a Nokia. A 2021. She be not have a Nokia. She can't buy an iPhone 11. She can't buy a 12 Pro. Yeah, like rich and switch. Right there, so I'm not ask Christ not twice. My page is going to take a completely different look. I am still in charge of branding, but it's going to take a completely different look. Goddamn! Let me tell you why I'm afraid. I'm afraid I'm going to lose you. I'm afraid that even for promos, all that shit, it's done. It's done, my guy. It's done. I'm gonna be, I'm gonna be having promotion packages where I don't just post your shit, but I get your shit sold. So that's gonna come with a contractual agreement. Everything is going to come with a contractual agreement, something signed. Goddamn, like this shit is about to be on and popping. And I'ma say this right here, and I'ma leave right there, honey. If I never left my blood cleansed husband, this wouldn't happen right this so. Right this so. I mean, I tell you, remember initially with that vex and bali and so, right this so. Don't you see the process? Right this so. Don't you see it for yourself? Right this so. Don't me tell you, say, guys, I have been in love after my husband. Don't me tell you no. Hey, I'm gonna tell you this. You see, when everything comes to fruition, I hope I don't cry. When everything that's happening happens, you're going to be just as shocked as I am. Because the Bible says that greater things than this you shall do. That's what the Bible says. Greater is in you than he that's in the world. In you. For me, that's confidence. I struggle with self-confidence. I don't think I have body dysmorphia, but sometimes I think I'm very fat. My most insecure parts, I have them out today. You guys think like when I dress sexy is like to back guys and to be a thought. It's true. But when I judge, don't do that. I'm here too long and I'm clean. My most insecure part is like here. You see that? On my back. Like my back fat, bro, it's nasty to me. And I'm like, bitch, this is what you're gonna do, how? You're gonna put the yellow dress on that Kyra bought you. Big up Kyra, my one true love. Yeah. And we gonna do this. We gonna do this, honey. It is what it is. It is. I have long boobs because I have two boys, and I thought I wanted a a boob up, a boob thing, a breast thing, breast augmentation, but I don't anymore. I have my 2 long breasts because I'm a boys. Mama of boys. I mean, I bejeweled them to make them look pretty, but it's just what it is, you know. I have the tattoo in my back here at the most insecure area on my body, one of. Bro, there's so much that's happening with me, with confidence, that I don't want you guys to ever get it confused with, oh, she's being cocky, oh, she rich and switch. Girl, I go switch. Sorry, why am I always off gas? Yeah, I go switch, I go rich and switch. I have to. There's no way that this mental state, this physical state can last for the next step that I'm taking, that you're taking, for the next step that you're in. Your relationship. Who, you guys hearing me? Let me know if you guys hearing me. Flood, you want a back shot? You want a back shot of the tattoo. Guys, I don't know, it is not even 10 o'clock. Y'all are nasty. But you want a back shot? So, I'm going to get a back shot again. I'm going to get that sound. Good, sit there. There it is. So this tattoo, it's an ambigram. If you don't know what ambigram is, baby, go Google it. But it's an ambigram. Yeah. So for this next step that we're all taking, for where you are now, friends won't last, family relationships won't last, intimate relationships won't last, business deals won't last. Your very home won't last, just because of the shift that is taking place. So when like somebody move weird or wonky in your life, you're like, I bet it's time to dip, because you guys know when it's time to dip. You know when it's time to dip. You know when it's time to leave, but we don't want to because we're holding on to what if. Let me blood cleanse explain something to you right this so and right now. There are 7 billion, probably gone down because of COVID. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to make a joke. But there's 7 billion people in the world. Why on earth do you think that your complete happiness is wrapped up in one individual's soul? Why do you think that because she is doing this for you, that she is the one? My nigga, if you travel, you will fall in love with each place that you go to, because we're humans. I don't believe in having a soulmate. Not anymore. Not anymore, because there's so much that can attract you to someone, sexually, physically, spiritually, otherwise. There's so much attraction and connection that can be made with different people. So I don't believe in soulmates in a romantic case. But I do believe that if you found that one person and that one person does it for you, and you're choosing to stay with that one person, that should be honored. That agreement should be honored. My new mindset is that I don't belong to anyone. You're not my man, me and your woman. I do not belong to anybody. I am choosing to share this part of my journey with you. Point blank, period. I'm choosing to share it with you. And I'm going to say this again. You see, if you have a desire in your heart for somebody specific, believe me, mama, it did. For the men watching my live, oh, hello. Come on now. Anyway, for the men watching my live, she's there. But what you should never do is force somebody to stay with you who does not want to be with you. Because you may have that strong feeling that, yeah, she's a part of this journey with you and you want to make that connection. But because it's not aligned, because you're not equally yoked, because both of you don't want the same thing, it's not going to work. And by forcing it is when violence happens. By forcing it is when cheating happens. By forcing it is when the disrespect happens. I don't know for a fact that my man is out there. I don't know, because these niggas, boy. Hey, let me tell you this. A 3 tiny delete and download him, that delete and download till delete and download. I'm done. At this point, show the upper way. That shit well. And the thing is, it's been just 11 months since I've been separated, and I am like moving really quickly when it comes to my personal life. this kind of awakening and illumination doesn't come from all these words so new age. I'm gonna be read in the comments, but this awakening that's happening to me now, it is moving so quickly. They're not usually this enlightened this early. It takes them years. I know why it moves so fast for me, because my mouth I got always talk. There's healing in your words, healing in expressing. I have an amazing photo shoot planned with, Father God, one of the most, out of all like the photographers that I've seen, he is hands down the most, the in my eyes, the best photographer I've ever seen and worked with. And we have an amazing shoot plan. Maybe when I come back. But that shoot is just me bearing my soul, bro. It's just bearing my soul. If I have the desire in mind for a tall guy who is muscular, who is... Me want my fruit. That banana. Me know that look. Give me what me wanna. It has to be there. Why would we have these strong desires for someone, wanting something only for the thing to not exist? Or where we're at now, irrespective of what you believe in, our bodies aren't, this is not just this. We have mind, soul, spirit. There's so much that makes up our own flipping body. You're telling me I'm going to have that desire. I'm going to have that desire just for it not to exist? That makes no sense. And I fully believe the reason why we violate each other so much, and I'm talking in a romantic sense, whichever you want to interpret it, that's on you, boo-boo. But the reason why we disrespect each other and violate each other is because you don't belong together. And we're too impatient to flipping wait on the one that we genuinely want. I'm a Sagittarius. I don't believe in the whole science thing, but baby, there's some correlation and I'm going to speak on it. I'm extremely easy to love. I'm extremely easy to get along with. But I'm also very, very savage. I didn't know it until I started figuring out who I am. As much as I can love you and risk everything for you, I will move on like you do not exist. As much as you are this amazing person to me, if I'm not feeling you, my nigga, I'm just not. And I recognize extremely quickly, for me, no man can't catch me with KFC and Burger King. No man can't catch me with Bridget's and Louis Vuitton. No man can't catch me with Oslan and Yacht. That's not where my heart is. Because I have fallen for guys who have absolutely nothing. Nothing. No, one or two reasons why that is. One, maybe I have like a God complex or a savior complex, or that thing where you want to like fix things. Maybe that's what I am. Two, I believe that we can grow together. So it's either one or the other. Either way, whatever it is what it is. But we can grow together. Apart from being a Sagittarius, I'm a woman. We are powerful beings. We have the ability to create life. Life of any skin color. Life. We have the ability, and I must say this, it's going to sound funny, bleed monthly and not die. A nigga get a paper cut. He out here crying. Boy, you better stop. My vagina's been bleeding since Jan. Sir, stop. The changes our bodies go through just to carry and nurture and house another individual is absolutely mind-blowing. It is mind-blowing. So I'm not doubting our power. I'm not doubting none of that. I'm not doubting our reach. But we do get distracted. You're more than a queen. You're a legacy. You are more than that bitch. You're a legacy, mama. You are more than a boss ass. I'm a king, bitch. I know I'm a woman, but I'm a king in this bit. You are a legacy. Because the trail that you leave behind will speak of who you are. And I've chosen to make my life public to you guys. I have. And just by me being me, my worth is being recognized. And I'm aligned with some very powerful and influential women. I tell you guys, Needles, Naru, Cassie, who else am I got to for things? Needle, Naru, Cassie, those 3 women that provide services, they help me. Candice is not just my tattoo artist or my parasol. She's so much more. Naru is not just my esthetician. She's so much more. Cassie is not just my nail tech. She is way more than that. And these are women. Women leaving behind an unforgettable legacy. Respect that. Again, 7 billion people in the world. You are going to fall in love over and over. You're going to get hurt over and over. But when it's not that overwhelming in a relationship is when you are equally yoked. When you guys want each other and only each other. Knowing that you can have any other nigga out here. Knowing that you can have any other woman out here. But I'm choosing to be with you. That choice is an honor. I'm telling you that out of everybody in the whole flipping world, you are mine. Shit, not mine. You are my world. Cause I don't like the mine thing. I'm mine, he's mine. Nah, I'm sharing this journey with you. This aspect of my journey is something that I want to share with you. So respect that, because, and I say this and I'm going to tell you why I said this, because before you, my journey started. And after you, the journey will continue. So I don't belong to you, you don't belong to me. This is a journey that we're both on. And I'm choosing to take you with me. I want you to be with me. But you don't belong to me. That sense of ownership and entitlement, to me, that is deeply rooted in narcissism. That's just my experience. Y'all can say what you want to say, but that's what I'm saying to you. I don't belong to you. And one more thing before I get off this Insta, it'll never happen. Anyway, God damn it. What was I going to say? Oh shit. What did I say before I get off this Insta? Father, hold on, and friends. I forgot what I was going to say. I don't know. God damn, and it was good. I felt it. It was so good. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what I'm gonna say. I forgot what I was gonna say. But the point is, I'm under new management. So y'all, most of you can't just like reach out to me like how you would. Like, oh, send me an email, send me a DM. Nah, bitch, you gotta message my manager, hoe. Yeah, right, that's all. Right, true, like Night Drew. You have to speak to my management team. And I'm afraid of that because I don't want to lose you guys. I don't want to lose this that we have. I don't want to. I love when you guys can just reach out to me. I love that because that makes me, to me, it tears down the wall of a celebrity. It tears down the wall of you thinking that I'm more than you, or it removes that facade. So I don't want that. But this next level, it's going to require that. But guys, I promise you, it's still me. I just don't want to lose you guys. Oh, I don't want to cry. Because you guys also, like, you guys are a really big part of my healing and my journey, because I've chosen to share it with you. Girl, there's so much shit that I'm going to be telling y'all. But just wait a little bit. Wait till it's a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna call my cab now and remind him because he should be here for 10:15. It's now 10:05. I will be saving this live. Aww. She said, as long as you maintain a personal touch, because I love you bad. Don't stop come live, cause me I go vet. No, I can't stop. Cause I feel like by going live, you guys like understand and know stuff, you see me? But guys, this new step is deep. It's deep and it's a scary step. You know, but it's needed. Like, we've been through too much to just stay at the same place. We've been Europe, listen to me, I said to you. We've been through too much to not get anywhere. Bitch. We've been through too much to not get anywhere. And that's just not gonna fly, honey. It's 2021. We've been survived 2020. That was the year of Satan. And we here, honey. 2021. We've been through too much to not get anywhere. Too much. Okay, so I'm gonna go. The boys are fine. The boys are by grandma. I spent today's Friday, Thursday. So I spent entire Tuesday and Wednesday with them because I was on the road on Monday. To them on the road again today. Hopefully I can go home early and see them again. But yeah, I have work now, so I have to head out. And today is gonna be a fairly long day. It may or may not, but I'm thinking that it is. Let me give you a cold bump. I'm sorry. God sent message, I swear, you don't even know. I'm gonna keep you guys abreast. I need to leave for true. I'm gonna keep you guys abreast of my day, but y'all need to go on my TikTok, cause shit, I'll be making some really cool content or whatever. You can watch them or whatever. But yeah, bye guys.
This is Asha back representing for Sandy and Bonez TV. More you just like and subscribe to the channel. If I don't know, Sandy and Bonez TV gone to the world, you know.